Elon Musk's Neuralink has made a bold assertion. The company claims its brain-computer interface could help paralyzed individuals walk again. This ambitious goal has captivated the world's attention and sparked hope for millions suffering from debilitating conditions. The potential to restore mobility through advanced technology is an alluring prospect, capturing the imagination of both the scientific community and the public. However, Neuralink's pronouncements have not gone unquestioned. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has launched an investigation into the company. This inquiry centers on whether Neuralink misled investors about the timeline and feasibility of its technology. The SEC's involvement injects a note of caution into the narrative surrounding Neuralink, raising questions about the company's transparency and adherence to regulatory standards. The outcome of this investigation could have significant ramifications. A finding against Neuralink could lead to penalties, impact investor confidence, and potentially hinder the development of its technology. It underscores the complexities of translating groundbreaking scientific advancements into safe and effective treatments, particularly when it comes to the delicate and intricate workings of the human brain. The SEC's investigation has brought to light past statements made by Elon Musk about Neuralink that have raised concerns. In 2023, Musk claimed that no monkeys had died as a result of Neuralink implants. He also asserted that the company only used terminally ill monkeys in its experiments. However, these claims have been contradicted by evidence. The Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, an animal rights advocacy group, obtained public records that challenged Musk's assertions. These records revealed that 12 healthy monkeys were euthanized due to complications arising from Neuralink implants. This discrepancy between Musk's statements and the evidence presented by PCRM has fueled concerns about the company's transparency and the ethical implications of its animal testing practices. The revelations about the monkeys' deaths have drawn criticism from animal welfare advocates and raised questions about the potential risks of Neuralink's technology. The company has defended its practices, arguing that animal testing is a necessary step in developing medical devices and that it is committed to animal welfare. However, the controversy surrounding the monkey deaths has cast a shadow over Neuralink's research and raised concerns about the company's commitment to ethical practices. The documents obtained by PCRM painted a disturbing picture of the experiences of some monkeys involved in Neuralink's experiments. These documents, which originated from the University of California, Davis, where Neuralink conducted early trials, detailed a range of health issues experienced by the monkeys. The reported complications included chronic infections, paralysis, brain swelling, loss of coordination, and signs of depression. These adverse effects were severe enough to necessitate the euthanasia of some of the monkeys, a decision that highlights the ethical complexities of animal research and the potential for suffering. The severity of the health issues experienced by some monkeys raises concerns about the safety of Neuralink's technology. While the company maintains that it has made significant progress in improving the safety of its implants, the reported complications from these early trials underscore the potential risks involved in developing and testing such devices. The delicate nature of the brain and the invasive nature of the implants necessitate extreme caution and rigorous testing to ensure the well-being of both animal subjects and, eventually, human patients. The troubling details revealed in the UC Davis documents have intensified scrutiny of Neuralink's animal testing practices. Animal rights groups and some ethicists argue that the company's pursuit of groundbreaking technology should not come at the cost of animal suffering. They call for greater transparency regarding Neuralink's research protocols and for exploring alternative research methods that do not involve animal subjects. The controversy surrounding these early trials serves as a reminder of the ethical tightrope that companies like Neuralink must navigate as they push the boundaries of medical technology. Section 5. Ethical concerns. The ethical implications of Neuralink's technology extend beyond animal welfare. Critics have raised concerns about the potential for brain-computer interfaces to be used in ways that could have unintended consequences or even be harmful. Some fear that such technology could be used for malicious purposes, such as surveillance or manipulation of individuals' thoughts and actions. These concerns, while speculative, highlight the need for careful consideration of the ethical implications of powerful new technologies before they are widely deployed. Another ethical consideration is the potential for Neuralink's technology to exacerbate existing social inequalities. The high cost of such technology could make it accessible only to the wealthy, potentially creating or widening disparities in healthcare and other areas. This raises concerns about fairness and equity, as well as the potential for such technology to be used to enhance the capabilities of certain groups at the expense of others. Furthermore, the use of brain-computer interfaces raises questions about privacy and data security. The data collected by such devices would be highly sensitive and personal, and there are concerns about how this data would be stored, accessed, and used. Ensuring the privacy and security of this data would be paramount to prevent misuse or exploitation. The potential benefits of Neuralink's technology are undeniable, but so are the ethical challenges it presents. Addressing these challenges proactively will be crucial to ensuring that such technology is developed and deployed responsibly and ethically. Section 6. The Human Frontier. Despite the controversies, Neuralink continues to make strides in its research. The company has initiated human clinical trials, marking a significant milestone in its development. These trials will focus on evaluating the safety and efficacy of Neuralink's implants in human subjects, with the initial goal of enabling people with severe paralysis to control computers and mobile devices with their thoughts. The commencement of human trials represents a crucial step towards realizing the potential of Neuralink's technology to improve the lives of people with disabilities. However, the path to regulatory approval for medical devices is long and arduous. Neuralink faces heightened scrutiny from regulatory bodies, including the US Food and Drug Administration, which will rigorously evaluate the safety and effectiveness of its implants before granting approval for wider use. The FDA's stringent approval process is designed to protect public health and ensure that new medical devices are safe and effective. Neuralink's journey through human trials and the regulatory approval process will be closely watched. The company's success in navigating these challenges will be crucial to determining whether its groundbreaking technology can fulfill its potential to revolutionize the treatment of neurological disorders. The stakes are high, and the world is watching as Neuralink ventures into the uncharted territory of human augmentation. Section 7. Market Jitters. The SEC investigation and the controversies surrounding Neuralink have had a tangible impact on the market. News of the investigation, coupled with the allegations of misleading statements and concerns about animal testing, has led to volatility in the share prices of companies associated with Neuralink. This market reaction underscores the sensitivity of investors to regulatory scrutiny and ethical concerns, particularly in the context of emerging technologies. The market's response to the Neuralink situation highlights the importance of transparency and accountability for companies operating in the public eye. Investors and the market in general are more likely to react negatively to perceived ethical lapses or a lack of transparency. Building and maintaining trust is crucial, especially for companies involved in potentially transformative but controversial technologies. The market's jitters also reflect a broader trend of increased scrutiny of technology companies, particularly those involved in artificial intelligence and biotechnology. As these technologies advance and become more integrated into our lives, there is growing concern about their potential impact on society and the need for greater regulation and oversight. The Neuralink case serves as a reminder that technological innovation must go hand in hand with responsible development and ethical considerations. Section 8. A call for transparency. The controversies surrounding Neuralink have sparked calls for greater transparency and accountability from the company. Critics argue that Neuralink needs to be more forthcoming about its research practices, including its animal testing protocols, data security measures, and plans for addressing potential ethical concerns. This call for transparency reflects a growing demand for companies, particularly those operating in sensitive fields like biotechnology, to be more open about their operations and to engage in meaningful dialogue with the public. Transparency is essential for building trust, and it is particularly crucial for companies developing technologies with the potential to profoundly impact society. Openly addressing ethical concerns, engaging with critics, and providing clear and accurate information about research practices can help to foster public confidence and ensure that new technologies are developed and deployed responsibly. The call for transparency extends beyond Neuralink to encompass the broader field of neurotechnology. As this field continues to advance, it is crucial that companies, researchers, and policymakers work together to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks. Open dialogue, public engagement, and a commitment to responsible innovation will be essential to harnessing the potential of neurotechnology while mitigating potential risks. Section 9. Balancing innovation and responsibility. The story of Neuralink is a cautionary tale about the complexities of pushing the boundaries of science and technology. While the company's ambitious goals and groundbreaking technology hold immense promise for improving human health, its journey has been marked by controversy, regulatory scrutiny, and ethical concerns. This underscores the importance of balancing the pursuit of innovation with a commitment to transparency, ethical conduct, and responsible development practices. The future of Neuralink remains uncertain. The outcome of the SEC investigation, the results of its human trials, and its ability to address ethical concerns will all play a role in shaping the company's trajectory. However, regardless of Neuralink's ultimate fate, the company's story serves as a valuable lesson for the future of neurotechnology and for the importance of navigating the complex interplay between innovation, regulation, and societal values. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of neuroscience and neurotechnology, it is imperative that we proceed with both excitement and caution. The potential benefits are vast, but so too are the potential risks. By embracing transparency, engaging in open dialogue, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can work towards ensuring that these powerful technologies are harnessed for good and contribute to a brighter future for all.